Albania, a hidden gem of the Balkans, is quickly emerging as one of Europe's most captivating travel destinations. With over 10 million visitors in recent years, it's gaining recognition for its unspoiled beaches, historic cities, and dramatic mountain landscapes. This small yet diverse country offers an experience that blends ancient civilizations with untouched nature. From Ottoman-era towns to coastal paradises and alpine villages, Albania's variety surprises even seasoned travelers. Its affordability, welcoming locals, and authentic culture make it ideal for explorers seeking something new. If you enjoy history, hiking, or basking in the Mediterranean sun, Albania offers it all without the crowds. In this guide, Lens of Explorer takes you through 10 of the best places to visit in this fascinating country. Each destination offers a unique window into Albania's soul and is sure to leave you inspired. Let's start the journey. Berat. Berat, known as the City of a Thousand Windows, is one of Albania's most picturesque and historically rich cities. Its white Ottoman-style houses climb the hillside above the Osum River, creating a striking mosaic of windows and rooftops. The city's UNESCO World Heritage status reflects its exceptional architecture and centuries of coexistence between Muslim and Christian communities. A stroll through the Mangalem and Gorica quarters reveals cobblestone alleys, stone bridges, and traditional homes that have stood for generations. The Berat Castle, perched high above the city, offers panoramic views and houses several churches and museums within its walls. Visitors often enjoy the Ethnographic Museum and Onufri Museum, which preserve the artistic and cultural heritage of the region. Berat is also known for its local wine and cuisine, offering a relaxing atmosphere alongside rich history. At sunset, the city glows in warm light, making it a photographer's dream. It's a must-see for anyone interested in heritage, architecture, and authentic Albanian charm. Gjirokastër. Gjirokastër, another UNESCO-listed gem, is a stone-built city set on the slopes of the Drino Valley in southern Albania. Known as the City of Stone, it boasts steep cobbled streets, slate-roofed houses, and a fortress that dominates the skyline. The Gjirokastër Castle, one of the largest in the Balkans, offers sweeping views of the valley and a fascinating military museum inside. Many of the city's houses, like the Zakat House, are preserved as cultural monuments, showcasing traditional Albanian family life from centuries ago. Gjirokastër was also the birthplace of renowned writer Ismail Kadare and former dictator Enver Hoxha, adding political and literary layers to its past. Its old bazaar is a great place to shop for handmade crafts, textiles, and local produce. The atmosphere is peaceful, with fewer tourists and a strong sense of identity. From its preserved architecture to its vibrant culture, Gjirokastër stands as a proud symbol of Albania's heritage. It's a city where history and daily life still move in step. Tirana. Tirana, the capital of Albania, is a dynamic city that's rapidly transforming into a vibrant European metropolis. Once marked by communist architecture, the city now bursts with colorful buildings, modern art installations, and buzzing nightlife. Skanderbeg Square, the city's main hub, is surrounded by key landmarks like the Ethembe Mosque, the National History Museum, and the Clock Tower. Just nearby, the Bunkart Museums offer a compelling look into Albania's communist past through underground exhibits housed in Cold War-era bunkers. Tirana's youthful energy is visible in its street cafes, galleries, and bustling markets like Pazari Iri. The Grand Park and artificial lake provide a green escape for locals and tourists alike. Public art, murals, and sculptures are found throughout the city, reflecting its creative spirit. The food scene is diverse, blending Mediterranean, Balkan, and Albanian flavors in everything from upscale restaurants to street vendors. Tirana is the cultural and political heart of the country, a city that both honors its history and embraces its future. Sarandë. Sarandë is one of Albania's most popular coastal cities, situated along the Ionian Sea and known for its crystal-clear waters and lively promenade. Once a small fishing village, it has grown into a top summer destination attracting tourists from all over Europe. The city's beaches are lined with beach clubs, restaurants, and resorts, creating a relaxed and sun-soaked atmosphere. From the city, you can take day trips to the nearby ruins of Butrint or hop on a ferry to the Greek island of Corfu. Lakursi Castle offers panoramic views over the entire bay and is a fantastic place to watch the sunset. The local food, especially seafood, is fresh and flavorful, served in both traditional taverns and modern eateries. Sarandë also has a youthful, festive energy with beachside nightlife during the summer season. Its accessibility and beauty make it a perfect base for exploring the southern coast. For travelers seeking sea, sun, and scenery, Sarandë delivers in full. Ksamil. Ksamil is a small village just south of Sarandë that boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the Balkans. Known for its turquoise waters and soft white sand, it's often compared to tropical destinations for its island-like beauty. The Ksamil Islands, accessible by boat or even a quick swim, offer quiet coves and scenic picnic spots. Despite its popularity, the area still retains a laid-back vibe, especially in the shoulder seasons. Beachfront bars and restaurants serve local seafood, and loungers line the shores for ultimate relaxation. The water is calm and shallow, making it ideal for families and casual swimmers. It's also close to the archaeological site of Butrint, making it easy to blend beach and culture in a single day. During summer, it can get crowded, but early mornings and evenings bring a peaceful charm. Ksamil is a slice of paradise that shows Albania's coast at its finest. Theth. Theth is a remote village nestled in the heart of the Albanian Alps, offering one of the most dramatic mountain landscapes in the Balkans. It's a haven for hikers, nature lovers, and anyone seeking peace away from modern life. Surrounded by jagged peaks and deep valleys, Theth National Park is home to natural wonders like the Blue Eye Spring and the Grunaz Waterfall. The traditional stone houses and wooden guest houses add to the rustic charm of the village. The Church of Theth, set against a backdrop of towering mountains, is one of the most photographed landmarks in the region. Visitors can also explore the ancient Lock-In Tower, a symbol of Albania's unique tribal laws and history. Trails from Theth to Valbona are among the most scenic in Europe and attract hikers from around the world. Despite its isolation, Theth has become more accessible in recent years with improved roads and small eco-lodges. The untouched beauty and raw atmosphere of Theth leave a lasting impression on anyone who makes the journey. It's a place that rewards those who venture into its wild embrace. Shkodër. Shkodër is one of the oldest cities in Albania and an important cultural and historical hub in the north. It sits beside Lake Shkodër, the largest lake in southern Europe, offering scenic views and waterside relaxation. The city's most iconic landmark is Rozafa Castle, perched high on a hill with panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and rivers. Shkodër has a vibrant art scene with galleries, music festivals, and a strong tradition of photography. Its pedestrian-friendly streets are lined with cafes, museums, and colorful buildings that reflect a blend of Venetian, Ottoman, and modern influences. The Marubi National Museum of Photography houses one of the most extensive archives in the Balkans. Bicycles are a common sight here, giving the city a laid-back, community-driven feel. From here, many travelers begin their journey to the Albanian Alps or Lake Komen. Shkodër is where urban life meets natural beauty in a seamless balance. The city's rhythm is slow and welcoming, perfect for immersing in Albanian everyday life. Butrint National Park. Butrint National Park is Albania's most important archaeological site, offering a fascinating glimpse into ancient civilizations. Located near the southern coast, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that spans Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Venetian eras. The ruins include a well-preserved Roman amphitheater, city walls, basilicas, and mosaics that date back over 2,000 years. The site is surrounded by lush forest and wetlands, creating a peaceful setting that feels feels far removed from modern tourism. Walking through Butrint feels like exploring an open-air museum where nature and history coexist. The nearby Vivari Channel and Lake Butrint add to the park's natural beauty, attracting birds and wildlife year-round. Interpretive signs and a small museum help visitors understand the historical significance of the area. Butrint is easily accessible from Sarandë and Ksamil, making it a top day trip destination. It stands as a bridge between Albania's ancient past and its ecological present. Dhermi. Dhermi is a coastal village on the Albanian Riviera known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and peaceful atmosphere. Unlike more commercialized resorts, Dhermi retains a charming village feel with stone houses and narrow paths climbing the hillside. The beaches here are considered some of the best in Albania, with soft pebbles and clear, swimmable waters. Dhermi Beach, Drymaids Beach, and Palasa Beach are the most popular spots, offering a mix of relaxation and water sports. During the summer, the area comes alive with beach bars and music festivals, but mornings and evenings remain tranquil. The village also features historic churches, olive groves, and scenic hiking routes with coastal views. Local guest houses and boutique hotels provide a more authentic, slow-paced experience. It's a destination perfect for both solitude and summer fun. In Dhermi, tradition meets the rhythms of the sea for a laid-back getaway. Valbona Valley National Park. Valbona Valley National Park is one of the most breathtaking natural areas in Albania, nestled deep within the Albanian Alps. This highland valley features sharp peaks, alpine meadows, dense forests, and the crystal-clear Valbona River flowing through it. It's a hiker's paradise, with trails leading to spectacular lookouts, mountain passes, and remote shepherd villages. The trail connecting Valbona to Theth is considered one of the most scenic treks in Europe. Visitors can enjoy traditional Albanian hospitality in guest houses run by local families. The air is crisp, the views are vast, and wildlife including eagles, bears, and foxes thrive in the protected environment. Each season brings something new: lush greens in summer, fiery foliage in autumn, and snow-blanketed beauty in winter. Adventure seekers and photographers find endless inspiration here. Valbona is a true escape into Albania's most untouched landscapes. Albania is a country of remarkable diversity, from ancient cities to alpine valleys and sun-drenched shores. Each of the 10 destinations we explored offers a unique glimpse into the nation's soul, shaped by nature, history, and culture. Exploring Albania means uncovering castles perched on hills, ancient amphitheaters, and wild hiking trails carved through mountains. The country's small size makes it easy to combine culture, coast, and adventure in a single trip, and with fewer tourists compared to other European hotspots, your experiences will feel more personal and immersive. Albania continues to earn praise from international travel communities and keeps attracting those searching for something real and authentic. With growing infrastructure and increasing global attention, the country is becoming more accessible without losing its charm. We hope this travel guide from Lens of Explorer inspires your own journey through Albania. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel inspiration.